Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning class. How are you today? Hopefully we all fine. Okay, before we start our meeting, it's better for us to pray first. Praying, start. Finish. Okay, who is absent today? I hear that one of our friends is getting serious illness and she is now in hospital, and hopefully Harel will be getting better soon. Okay class, how many letters do you know? Yeah, there are some kind of letter, formal and informal ones. Informal letters such as we send our letter to our friends and our family and etc. Formal letter, take an example, is application letter. What is application letter? Application letter is kind of letter that we use to join with some company or institution. That is application letter. And from where we know that the institution or the company has a vacancy. Yeah? You? Yeah. That's right. We can see from maybe banner, pamphlet, or maybe from our social media, from internet and etc. Yeah. Okay, you can see the video from the link below, and hopefully you can make a resume. What can you conclude for both of video? If we want to write down our application letter, we have to know the generic structure. Yeah, the generic structure of application letter, there are 5 parts. The first is salutation. What is salutation? Salutation is kind of address that we have to want to apply. Yeah, we can read from the pamphlet that where is the office places or where is the institution places. And the next is opening. Yeah, like we as a Muslim, in opening we can use salam, assalamualaikum and etc. And then the main body. The main body is the purpose of your letter. What for? You have write down that. Is only for giving information or what? And the fourth is closing. Close is the way how you can end your business letter. Yeah, application letter is sometimes called business letter too. You must be close it with carefully and with not good sentences. And the end is a salutation. It's something that you have to write down your hope, your wishes, or maybe your complimentary word. It depends on your knowledge. And next is, this is one of example of the application letter. Yeah, we can see so many parts, and I'm so sorry if I show you in a small pieces, but you can access this material in our classroom, in my Google Drive. I will share you the link and I will share you all the material so you can learn it at home. Now, for the first assignment, you have to do all the tasks in my links. I will share it to you. You can write or you can do that by using this computer. And then the second task, you have to write down your own application letter. It's free for you, from where you got information, and I will give a score based on the generic structure and the language. That's all for today. We will continue in the next meeting by discussing your job. Okay class, this is one of your friends' product about application letter. This is from Winda Eka, and Winda Eka has finished arrange an application letter, and we can see from the salutation, Winda Eka want to see about Human Resources Manager in PT Mimpi Indah. Jalan Menuju Masa Depan nomor 10 Medan, and the human resources is Miss Afni. This is the salutation, and now next the second part is opening Winda using a simple opening. Take it example, dear Miss Afni. It's just we say hello in our friends, but these informal ones, yeah. Dear Miss Afni. And then the next one is about the body. Winda say he got information from the advertisement posted on Dove Jobs Indo ID that PT Mimpi Indah is looking for staff administration. Remember, kind tax of tax, there are two question or two classification question, written and unwritten ones. Yeah, you have to understand well about the text. Okay, next, from this application letter, we know that Winda graduated from Muhammadiyah North Sumatra University and worked as a freelance staff administration in PT Unilever for 2 years and so on. This is the mind body. So the conclusion, we can write down the mind body about our background education or maybe our job experience. Yeah, it's free. Or we can use it in the other part of application letter. In Bahasa it's called lampiran. We can use or we can make a CV, curriculum vitae. What is curriculum vitae? Yeah, curriculum vitae is such as our background and education background and job experience and etc. And in this application letter, Winda has a closing with a simple word too. Winda say, I hope I can get the opportunity to discuss with you about an interview. It means Winda changing the part of application letter. He write down the complementary first. Yeah, this is one of example of complementary that she say, I hope I can get the opportunity to discuss with you about an interview. Yeah. In real life, if we want to get interview, it means we have 50% chance to join with that company. Yeah? And the closing one is, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for your time and consideration. This is one of, I think, a good closing. We just use a simple word. We not use in this era, it's called lebay, bahasa lebay, ya. We just use thank you for your time and consideration. Don't forget to write down your name, your full name, not your nickname or your alias name, ya, but your full name, your real name. This is Winda Eka Maya, ya. And don't forget your signature. This is one of example from our friends from Winda. I think Winda, you have a good job. It will better if you making a CV, curriculum vitae, so your data will be complete and our application letter will be give more attention to the manager or to the person who has a responsibility in the company. Okay, class, this is one of example, and I still waiting your job. I still waiting your task. Don't forget the deadline and don't forget about the time to submit it, because if there is someone let in submit your progress, I will give a minimum score. So be punctual in submitting your tasks. And once more, this meeting I close, and don't forget to keep healthy, stay at home, and follow our government rules. Hopefully we can throw this pandemic as soon as possible. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.